Hey YouTube, this is Millionaires. What's up? So today I am doing an Aveeno repairing foot mask. I'm totally excited. I am not getting pedicures right now because it's Rona season and I'm not fooling around. We have definitely been quarantining. So let's get busy. Okay, YouTube. I have the foot mask on. Aveeno repairing, I think that's CICA foot mask. So it says leave it on for 10 minutes. I'm probably going to leave it on maybe just 20, go a little longer, relax. And I'll show you the final product. I'm super excited. The reveal. I'm impressed. Heel feels good. This is Millionaires showing the reveal of the Aveeno foot mask. So guys, it has been about probably a little longer. I probably kept it on for about an hour. I was watching TV and a movie. So as you can see, it's very, very still moist. I'm very, very, very satisfied with the results. I mean, my feet feel amazing, guys, like amazing. Aveeno foot mask. Who needs to get a pedicure? This was, I believe, $4 from Walgreens.